going on YouTube? NathanLR right here. In today's video, we're talking about the Dopamine Jailbreak, which has received another update a couple of days ago. Now, this brand new update is available here on GitHub, and you probably know the Dopamine Jailbreak. It's currently the only jailbreak we have for newer devices that is a full jailbreak and not a semi-jailbreak or a bootstrap or something like that piggybacks on TrollStore. This one is a full jailbreak. Even though it's a rootless jailbreak, it's a full jailbreak and supports A8 through A16 devices as well as M1 and M2 with support up to 16.6.1. So Dopamine Jailbreak has received a couple of updates lately, even though it's been kind of dead for a long time since iOS 16 hasn't been a thing for a long time now. Back in January, this has received 2 updates. I did cover one of them, but I didn't cover the other. So 2.4.7, in case you're not aware, has been released and it's now available. It says in here, fix an issue where the jailbreaking process would get stuck on patch finding on some device and version combinations, seemingly affecting early iOS 15 ARM64 devices the most. And then fix issue with custom boot logos not getting set or not persisting correctly, which have been added in the 2.4.6 version. You can now have custom boot logo during user space reboot. And fix an issue where selecting a picture taken with a camera as a custom boot logo would cause it to have the wrong orientation in some cases. So this is just bug fixes and mostly regressions for 2.4.6, which was released a couple of days prior to this version over here, but you should definitely go ahead and get the latest version of Dopamine IPA and TAPA file. This video is brought to you by UPDF, one of the best and most affordable PDF editors available for both Windows, macOS, as well as Android and iOS, so you can easily get your files from one device to another and continue editing. Let me show you in this video how you can use this on macOS to study easier for your school exams or for university and so on with the built-in UPDF AI. So you're clicking here on the AI inside the application, it will open this and you can drag and drop a file to it. So I'm going to drop this PDF file over here. As you can see, this file over here contains over 80 something pages. So if, for example, I have to learn for an exam or I don't know, I'm studying for some reason, I can go ahead here in the UPDF AI. I gave it the 84 pages document. Let's have it make quizzes. For example, I told it make several quizzes and flashcards on the topics in this course. And as you can see, the AI started actually creating the quizzes with information right from this document. I can tell it, tell me the most important facts from this file. And as you can see, it gathered the origin and history, the size and build, head shape, and so on. So all of the important aspects of this presentation on Siberian cats. Keep in mind that the AI is also available on iPhone and Android and so on, so you can do this on the go. Anyway, definitely go ahead, get the latest version of Dopamine. As you can see over here, if you go to iDeviceCentral.com to the jailbreak tools over here, this is kind of the last jailbreak that actually was a full jailbreak, a rootless jailbreak, but still a full jailbreak. All the rest after that is a semi-jailbreak, Misaka X, which is not a jailbreak at all, it's a customization tool. Same with NathanLR, same with Nugget, Serotonin, and the rest. So Dopamine is quite a great jailbreak. Definitely check it out below and get the update, which you can also install with TrollStore. Thank you for watching. I am GeoSnow. Till the next time, don't forget to also check out UPDF. It's also available in the App Store, and there is also a link down below. And thank you for watching. Peace out.